Hi, this is Nathan Tintle, and this is an introduction to the example, Can Dolphins Communicate? Part of the Introduction to Statistical Investigations textbook. When I come home from work each day, I'm greeted by a small white dog named Molly, who bounces about 4 feet off the ground out of such excitement that I'm home. We've known that animals can communicate certain ideas for a long time. Things like, I'm excited to see that you're home, or a bird in the forest communicating, hey, watch out, there's a predator nearby. But back in the 60s, researchers were really interested in understanding the limits of animals' abilities to communicate with each other. What kinds of abstract ideas could animals communicate? And specifically, Dr. Bastian, who's a researcher, a marine biologist out in UCLA, was looking at the limits of dolphins' ability to communicate. He got 2 dolphins from the wild, a male and a female, and named them Doris and Buzz. Over the series of a number of years, Dr. Bastian trained Doris and Buzz to respond to a light that was mounted outside of their tank. The light was like an old automobile headlight, and when Dr. Bastian would turn the light on, either the light would stay on, glowing steadily, or it would blink. If the light was on steady, the animals would know, Doris and Buzz would know, to swim to the opposite side of the pool and push the right-hand lever, and they would get a fish. If the light came on and was blinking on and off, Doris and Buzz would know to swim to the opposite side of the pool and push the left-hand lever. Now, once Dr. Bastian was convinced that Doris and Buzz understood the response he was looking for after seeing the light in one of those 2 states, he was ready to do the experiment. The experimental design looked like this. Doris was on one side of the pool where she could see the light. Buzz was on the opposite side of the pool where he could push the levers. Now, down the middle of the pool, Dr. Bastian put an opaque sheet so that the animals could not see to the other side, but potentially sonar could travel through. They were now ready for the experiment. Dr. Bastian turned the light on, and the light was blinking on and off. Now, Doris knows that that means they should push the left-hand lever. So what happens? Well, Doris swims over near the screen, makes a few squeaky noises. Buzz makes a few squeaky noises back, swims over and pushes the left-hand lever. That's correct. They both get a fish. Dr. Bastian then proceeded to conduct this experiment 15 more times for a total of 16 trials. And out of those 16 trials, Buzz pushed the correct lever 15 out of 16 times.